sick of you swim? Stand up minutes, I'm wearing my Timbs. Well, me, I don't wanna be him. Double R, we the creme de la creme. Gotta break of this shit to get grim. Might go over your head like a brim. Switch on my brother, that's
man, first ever Rhythm and Revenue vlog. It's also divine. And Jay Holmes ain't even out here yet. But we finna link up with Jay Holmes. It's finna be a little vlog, a little something different, you feel me? Let me see where this nigga at, man. Behind the scenes, Rhythm and Revenue studio session. You know what I'm saying? Rhythm and Revenue studio session behind the scenes, man. Little vlog drawing, man. Some of y'all ain't really recording the intro. For sure. Out the muscle like I'm in the gym, and that water you sick of you swim. And that water you sick of you swim. Alright. Alright. Out the muscle like I'm in the gym, and that water you sick of you swim. Yeah. That might have to be the outro side. Like that beat drop, put that on the outro, and then the intro be the intro part. That might have to tell. You trying to get on this one? With the movie? Yeah. You can extend the beat. Cause I come in there, I say, wait, maybe I'm a psycho. He keep talking about the greatest one. You can run this shit for sure.
Psycho, maybe I'm the psycho for real.
Cause then we can extend, and you rap right here. And then we just throw that hook at the end.
Maybe I'm the psycho. We gotta break the cycle.
Oh no, you came with a whole nother flow, bro. I'm saying make that happen. Yeah, that one gonna be tough for sure. Oh man, first studio session, Rhythm and Rev vlog. How you feeling, man?
I see your boy back in the booth, man. It feels too good, man. It feels real, man. But one thing about it, bro, it's in you, it's not on you, man. It's in you, it ain't on you, man. Keep in mind, I ain't recording it in damn near 3-4 months. Cuz ain't recording it
In the studio,
but we just knocked out the Rhythm and Rev intro. I'm talking about some fire. Bro, wait till y'all hear this, man. I can't. What they say? I can't wait for y'all to get this blessing. I can't wait for y'all to get this blessing, man. For real, man. This is Rhythm and Rev. Peace.
I